Hello, good morning to students. In last class, we learned what is ratios and what is equivalent fraction. Okay, everyone understand what is ratios and equivalent fraction. Now we will start question number 6. Okay, question number 6. Find the ratio. Only one part will be solved by me, and other three part do yourself. Okay, so write find the ratio. Find the ratio of, first we are doing D part. Okay, find the ratio of 30 minute to 45 minute. Always remember what is we write first, 30 minute. Write 30 upon 45. So we will write in A. It is a fraction. Okay, fraction can be treated as a ratio. So always we will write in lowest form. Lowest form means cut the common factor. So 5 6 5 9 3 2 3 3. So what is ratio? 3 2 ratio 3. So what is ratio? 2 upon 3. 2 upon 3 mean 2 ratio 3. So do as it is. Okay, other parts also. Now next is question number 7. Question number 7, only one part is solved by me, other part do yourself. Okay, first is A part. Everyone know, find the ratio 30 minute to 1.5 hour. But we observe here what is? Here is minute, here is given hours, and what I told you, always ratio should be in same unit. So either we will change this one in hour or this one in minute. So first we are changing in minute. 1 point. So we know 1 hour equal to 60 minute. In 60 minute. Okay, and 1.5 hours mean 1.5 hours mean 1 hour and half an hour. You can write 1.5, or you can write 1 upon 10. So what is 5 3? So how much hour? 3 upon 2 hours. Okay, so it is in 1 hour 60 minutes, and in 1 and half hour how many minutes? 90 minutes. Because right, so 3 upon 2 hours equal to how many minutes? 90 minutes. Now we will find ratio of 30 minutes to 90 minutes. Now we change 1.5 hour also in minute. So 30 upon 90. 0 cancel. 0. 3 1 3 3. So what is come? 1 upon 3, and 1 upon 3 mean 1 ratio 3. It is come 1 ratio 3. Understand? It is your answer. Understand it? One more. C part. You can check it for C part. C part is given. C part 55 paise to 1 rupees. 1 unit in paise, 1 in rupees. So we will change in both in paise or both in rupees. So we are changing. So we know 1 rupees equal to how many paise? 100 paise. So we write, so 55 ratio of 55 to 100. How much? 5 1 1 5 20. So what is ratio? 11 by 20, and 11 by 20 means 11 ratio 20. Understand it? It is your answer. Okay. Next. Question number 8. Now question number 8. Question number 8. In a year, Seema earns how much? Seema earns how much? 1,50,000 rupees. Okay, 1,50,000 and she saves. So right, Seema saves how much? 50,000. And tell me, if Seema earns 1,50,000 and she saves 50,000, so how much she is spending? So Seema spend how much? How much spend? You have 10 rupees and your saving is 2 rupees. How much you spend? So 10 minus 2, 8. So 8 rupees is same. Is its spending. So how much spending? Earning minus saving. How much remains? It is 1 lakh. Understand it? Now you can find like this one also. Seema. So this one. So next part, so we have to find in first part ratios of money, debt. Find the ratio of Seema earns to money. So Seema saves. So how much earns? 1,50,000 divide by 50,000. So 20, 20, 20, 20, 5, 1 the 5, 3. So what is ratio? 3:1. B part, money that she saves. So write ratio of Seema saves to Seema spend. Yes, Seema spends. So how much Seema saves? Seema saves 50,000 divide by how many? She spend is 1 lakh. So 40 cancel, 40. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are. So 1:2 is the ratio of Seema saves to spend. So it is your answer. Understand it? Next, question number 9, 10, 11. Do yourself. Okay, all are same question. 9, 10, 11. Okay. Next is question number 12. Question number 12. Cost of a dozen pen. Cost of a dozen pen, 180 rupees. Read first the statement. Cost of a dozen pen is 180 rupees. Cost of 8 ball pen. Cost of 8 ball pens, how much? It is given 56, and we have to find ratio of cost of 1 pen to 1 ball pen. 1 ball pen. Cost of a pen to a ball pen, but we have to find ratio whose? 1 pen, cost of 1 pen, but it is the cost of a dozen pen. In a 1 dozen pen, how many pen? 12. So we will find first cost of 1 pen. The cost of 12 pen 180 and cost of 1 pen 180 divided by 12. So 12. So we will cut 3, 4, 3, 6, 4. So what is come? The cost of 1 pen 15 rupees. Same as it is. Cost of 1 ball pen 56 divided by 8. How much is 7 rupees? Now we will find cost of one pen. One pen 15 and cost of one ballpoint 7. So what is ratio? Any common ratio? No. So 15 ratio 7. What is your answer? 15 ratio 7, because 15 and 7 have no common factor. Understand it? Now question number 13 you can do yourself. Okay, same as it is question number 5. Okay, now question number 14, very important. Question number 14, 15, 16, very important. Definitely come in your exam one question from these three questions. Okay, before start the question number 3, so what we will do? So first we will take an example. Okay, tell me a very simple example. Riya's weight 10 kg, Sia's weight 15 kg. Understand it? If I ask you to write total weight of Riya and Sia, how much? Total weight of both girls 10 plus 15, 25 kg. Understand? But if I ask you, but if in the question is given Riya ratio of Riya weight to Sia's weight to Sia's. So what is ratio? So ratio is 10 ratio 15. It is very simple. Understand or not? So what is ratio? So 10 ratio 5 to the 5 3 2. So 2 ratio 3. Understand or not? Same as it is question is given. It is we already learned. But if in the question is given, if it is not given, he in the question asking, in the given question is given, if total weight of Riya and Sia is 25 kg, and their ratio is 2:3. Now total weight is given in this question. These are two questions, 1 and 2. These questions we already learned. Now question number 2. And now total weight is 25, it is given, and find Riya weight and Sia weight. So how will you find? Everyone know it is. Okay. Now, so we have to find this one, Riya weight and Sia weight, but their ratios is given. Ratios is given. What is meaning of this one? 2:3. If Riya weight is 2, then Sia is 3. If Riya is 2, then Sia is 3. So how will you find Riya and Sia weight? Always what we will do in these type of questions, we will first what we will do, so we will write, always we will find sum of parts. There are the two parts. What is the sum of ratio? What is given? 2 plus 3, 5. Yes. What is meaning of 2:3? It is meaning sum of part. If total weight is 5, if it is not 25. Suppose if total weight is 5, so out of 5 is 2 kg is Ria and 3 kg is Sia. So what you can write? You can write Ria weight. What is total parts? How much? 5. And the Ria weight is how much? 2. Out of how much? 5. Because total is how much? 2 by 5 of total weight. Of total weight. Because 5 is not total weight. Total weight is 25. So Ria weight is how much? 2 upon 5 multiply of total weight. Total 2, because 2 upon 5 mean, dear, 2 is out of 5. If total weight is 5, then Ria weight is 2. But total weight is how much? 25. 2 upon 5 of mean multiply total weight. So 5 the. So 5 to the 10. So what in starting what I told? It is 10 kg. Understand or not? Same as it is if I ask you from this question, what is Sia weight? Sia weight mean beta, if weight of Ria is 2, Sia is 3. So sum of parts 2 plus 3, 5. 5 means if total weight is 5, Ria is 2 kg, Sia is 3 kg. So it means Sia weight is 3 upon 5. So 3 is out of 5 if total weight is 5. 3 upon 5 of total weight. So 3 upon 5 of total. Total is 25. So 5 into 3. So how much? 5 into 5. So 5, 3 to 5, 15. And in starting, what I told you? 10 and 15. So like this one, we can find also their weight also. It was just an example. Okay. Now we will do the questions. Okay. Now we will do the questions, but always remember, like in this question, when ratio is given, what we will do? First we will find their sum of parts. Okay, look at, now we will do question number 12. Look at question number 12, not 12, 14. What is given? Divide 20 pence. You have 20 pen. Okay, same as it is in the last question. Total weight is 25. Now you have 25 pence and you have to divide in last question we divided 2:3 and any other. Okay, now we have to given to write total pence. How much? 20. And divide 20 pence between Sheila and Sangeeta in ratios of 3:4. So write ratios of Sheila and Sangeeta's pen. How much given? It is given Sheila and Sangeeta 3:2. It is very simple example I am taking. If you have 20 pen, you can divide one. Sheila has 12 pen and Sangeeta has 8 pen. It is 12 and 8 because total pen 12 plus 8 20. So ratio you will find 12 divided by, so 4 3 4 2. What is ratio? 3:2. So it is meaning now 8 and 12 is not given. We have given, we divide total pen 3:2. What are their pens? So how will you find? Look at what I told you. When ratio is given, what we will do? First we will find sum of parts. Sum of parts or sum of ratio. What is 3 plus 2? How much? It is 5. It is 5. What is meaning of this one? It is meaning if Sheila has 3 pen, then Sangeeta is 2. So it is meaning if total pen is 5, if only 5, then Sangeeta has 3 and Sheila has 3 and Sangeeta has 2. So it means to write तो Sheila's total. तो Sheila's total pens. How much total pens? How much Sheila's? If total pen is 5, Sheila is how many? 3:2. How much? 3. So 3 upon 5. How much? 3 upon 5 of total pens. Yes? 3 upon 5 or not? So 3 upon 5 of 3 upon total. Always dear, we will find first sum of parts 5, and Sheila has 3, so it means 3 is out of 5. 3 is out of 5 of total, and total how many pens? It's 20. So 5 4 ja. So 3 into 12. What I told you? 12 or not? Yes. Next is Sangeeta's total pens. Everyone know total pen is 5. If total pen is 5, then Sangeeta has how much? 2. 2 is out of total pens. So what is 2 upon 5? Of mean multiply is 20. So 5 4 the how much? 8. 2 into 4 8. Yes, you can check you can verify your answer also. 12 plus 8 20. It means our answer is right. Whatever your answer will come, 12 divided by 8. Find ratio 4 3 4 2. So what is 3:2? Yes, 3:2. It is mean our answer is right. Understand it? Understand or not? Now we will do 15 question. One more time you will understand. Very important question. These are question number. Again we will find. Mother wants to divide. Yes, your mother has 36 rupees and she want to divide her daughter Shreya and Bhumika in ratio of their age. She want to divide all rupees in. She want to divide all rupees in ratio of their age. So first we will find what is the ratio of their age. So we will write Shreya's age 15 years. Okay. Next is Bhumika's. What is given? Bhumika or Bhumika. Bhumika's age. How much given? 12 years. But her mother has 36 rupees. But her mother wants to divide the rupees in ratios of age. So first we will find there the ratios of Shreya's and Shreya's to Bhumika's age. How much ratio? Ratio is 15 divided by 12. So what is 3, 5, 3, 4. So what is 5:4. In 14 question, dear, ratios is already given, but here we have to find a ratio. So now it's mean it is like a now 14 question. In the 14 question, total 20 rupees and divide in 3:12. But here 36 rupees divide in 5:4. First we will find sum of parts. How much sum of parts? 5 plus 4. How much? 9. It is meaning, dear, if age of Shreya is 5, then age of Bhumika is 4. Or you can say that if both of the age is 9, then age of Shreya is 5 and Bhumika is 4. So 5 plus 4, 9. So now we have to find how much Shreya's get. So right, we will find Shreya's get. And in the question already given, her mother wants to divide rupees in ratio of their age. So what is their age in ratio? She will get rupees X. Yes, it's mean if ratios of A is greater, so she will get more rupees. If it is ratio is less, so she will get less rupees. So Shreya get. So what is the Shreya's get? Shreya is get is ratios of their ages. So what is 5? So what is ratios of Shreya's age? 5 by 9 of totals. So 5 upon 9. So 5 upon 9. Total rupees 36. It is meaning dear, Shreya and Bhumika will get rupees. What is the ratio of their age? So it means if Shreya is getting 5, then Bhumika is 4. It is meaning if total rupees is 9, Shreya is getting 5 and Bhumika is getting 4. So it means Shreya is how much getting? 5 is out of 9. 5 is out of 9 of total. Of total is 36. So 9 for the. So how much gets Shreya? 20 rupees. Same as it is Bhumika's get. Bhumika's is 4 and 4 is out of 9 of total rupees. So total 4 upon 9 into 36. 9 4 ja. Yes, how much rupees she got? Bhumika 16. 20 plus 16 36. Yes, total rupees is 36. So one Bhumika get 16 and Shreya's get 16. And you can, what is ratio? 5 ratio 4. You can check it also. 20 divided by 16. 4 5 4 4. So what is ratio? 5 ratio 4. It means our answer is right. Understand it? Because total rupees how much given? 16. So 20 plus 16 is 36. So it is your answer. Understand it? Same as it is question number 16. Do yourself. Understand it? So 14 and 14, 15, 16 is very important. And also listen, question number, example number 7 also you will write in your notebook. Very important. Example number 7. Okay, on page number 250. Okay, it is very important. If you have any problem, you can ask. So thank you everyone. Have a nice day.